Good morning, guys. This is Samuel the Talking Gadget Guy 2020. And about yesterday, I had got a new aeroplane keychain delivered in the mail yesterday. And also, I got I got this little stopwatch thing. I don't know how it works and everything. But the main thing to show you is this. It's the same one which I had before. It's got like the flashing lights, and when you press it, you got the light and sound on it as well. So it was only £1 something. I'm not sure how much it was, but I like the way it makes that noise. So without further ado, let's give it a shot and see how well it performs. So you got these little holes for the keys that you can hand it into, like basically like your door, for instance. I'll show you in the video how I, say if I was going to hang my little aeroplane, I can hang this on a door here. Actually, I can hang it from. Let's see if it works from there. Oh yes, it does. Yeah, and basically I can press it again with it actually hanging on a door, and see how well it performs with that. So there you go, guys, that's my new aeroplane toy. Or not a toy actually, it's a keyring actually. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. And in the next few days I'll be reviewing my new Amazon Tap, which is a portable Bluetooth speaker enabled for the Echo Dot 2nd Gen. So basically it does the same thing like the Echo Dot does, like the normal Echo Dot does, but it's got like, instead of charging it on the actual mains, so you can use it without charging it on the mains as well. So I think it's a good idea. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's my video of my new aeroplane keychain. Got that in the mail yesterday from China. And I'll see you soon in the next video, maybe on a Saturday, because it should be coming on a Saturday anyway, the Amazon Tap. But I'll see you soon in that. So yeah, until next time, it's bye for now, and this is Samuel the Talking Gadget Guy 2020 here, signing out. Bye.